wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best fuel system cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, sta-bil 360 Protection works on your intake system, throttle plate and carburetor to impede gum, soot and varnish from collecting in the nooks and crannies. It's very simple to use thanks to a measuring guide on the bottle. It's affordably priced and has a 12-month shelf life. However, it is more preventative than restorative. At number 9, Redline Complete SI1 is effective in high oil consumption vehicles, removing nasty coats of goop from the PCV valve and intake manifold. It can reduce your required octane rating by up to 2 points and contains a heavy concentration of polyether amines. It's formulated with cylinder lubricant and can be used regularly, but note that it shouldn't be stored in vehicles. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you need a fast and affordable way to rejuvenate your system, grab a canister of lubegard 77012 Booster. It's made with a proprietary additive specifically designed to protect pumps, and it prevents bacteria growth inside diesel tanks too. It doubles as a stabilizer for storage and is good for direct injection engines. However, it contains alcohols. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fuel system cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, brite tron enzyme concentrate can help rejuvenate old gasoline and is particularly good at making small engines easier to start. It also breaks down excess water and sludge to sub-micron size, which allows it to be naturally burned away during normal operation. It stops phase separation and both cures and prevents problems. It can be used in 2-cycle premixes. Moving up our list to number 6, a powerful formula, chevron techron concentrate, can reverse lost acceleration as well as reduce spark plug fouling. It can also restore functionality of sulfur-contaminated fuel gauge sensors and relieve cold starting issues. The long neck fits easily into tanks and is suitable for motorcycles and ATVs. However, it shouldn't be used in diesel engines. Halfway up our list at number 5, BG44K Platinum quickly breaks down deposits in manifolds, valves, injectors and more, restoring the flow rate and resulting in improved performance. It utilizes additives that bond with the buildup and then deteriorates it so it can flush out. It smooths rough running and won't harm sensors. It's safe for turbochargers. At number 4, whether you have a relatively new traditional or hybrid vehicle or an old high-mileage one, Marvel Mystery Oil Ultimate is worth considering. Thanks to its ability to prevent corrosion and 99% of valve deposits, it's a good preventative option. It may improve throttle response and has lubricative properties. It can also be added to crankcase oil. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, not only can Seafoam SF16 get rid of much of the gunk in your engine, but it's proven to increase both hot and cold combustion. It can be used on nearly every type of motor, including diesels and those in marine vessels and small equipment. It quietens noisy lifters and also acts as a stabilizer. A high mileage option is available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fuel system cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Lucas Complete Renewal Kit contains 2 formulas designed to improve the efficiency of your vehicle, while simultaneously reducing emissions and eliminating the need for high-octane fuels. It cleans the entire system, including the combustion chamber. It contains no alcohol or solvents, lubricates carburetors and injectors, and neutralizes low sulfur issues. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Royal Purple 11723 Max Clean can reduce hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide and CO emissions for environmentally conscious drivers. It can be used in both 4-cycle and 2-cycle engines and won't harm delicate catalytic converters. One can treats up to 20 gallons and it's both EPA and CARB compliant. It boosts miles per gallon noticeably. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fuel system cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.